Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet with Zara, where we bring creativity to life one stitch at a time. I am Zara and today I am excited to show you how to crochet this versatile and stylish basket. This crochet basket is not only practical but also a beautiful addition to any home decor. Whether you need a storage for your craft supplies, toys or anything else, this basket is the perfect project. For this project we need a 4-ply yarn or 6-ply. The much thicker yarn the much better. I don't have a thicker yarn, so I just combine these two colors and make them one. So, and a ribbon, you can get it from any stationery shop or any reel shop. It's easily available in the market. A 3.5 mm hook and a scissor and a CD. It's an old CD. So let's get started. Just combine these two yarns and make a slip knot. We will begin by taking the CD and make a slip knot. Take the CD in the left hand, insert the hook into the CD hole and insert the hook into the slip knot on the other side and pull the yarn at the height of the CD and yarn over and pull through the loop. Just tight the tail, pull the tail so it will be tight. Now take the hook out, insert the hook into the CD hole, pull up the loop at the height of the CD, just hold at this point and insert the hook into the previous loop and the loop we just made. We have two loops, yarn over and make a single crochet. Now take the hook out, insert the hook into the hole, pull the loop at the height of the CD, hold the loop from the left hand, take the hook out, insert the hook into the previous loop and the next loop we just made, yarn over and pull through and make single crochet. Now take the hook out, insert the hook into the hole and pull up the loop at the height of the CD and hold the loop from the left hand, take the hook out, insert the hook into the previous loop and into the next loop we just made, yarn over and pull through. Take the hook out, pull up the loop at the height of the CD, hold the loop from the left hand, take the hook out, insert the hook into the previous loop and the next loop, yarn over and now one last time I'll be showing you. Take the hook out, insert the hook into the CD hole, pull up the loop at the height of the CD, hold the loop from the hold the loop from the left hand, insert the hook into the previous loop and the next loop, yarn over and pull through. In such a way work stitches and I will meet you at this point. Now I have just completed a row of single crochet. Now for the round 2, instead of working slip stitch, we will just continue over next round from the single crochet. Now work 2 single crochet in one stitch, or we will increase in round 2 by working 2 single crochet in one stitch. Okay, I will meet you at the end of the round by working an increase in every stitch, and I will meet you then. Now I have reached the end. Now for the round 3, we will just grab the ribbon behind and work chain 2. I have just made single crochet on the starting of round 3. Now chain 2 and grab the ribbon behind and skip one stitch and work a single crochet into the next stitch. Now chain 2, hold the ribbon simultaneously and skip one stitch and work a single crochet into the next stitch. Now chain 2, by holding the ribbon behind, skip one stitch and work a single crochet into the next stitch. In the same way, by following the same stitch pattern, single crochet, chain 2, skip one stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, skip one and single crochet into the next stitch, chain 2, skip one and single crochet into the next. Okay, I will meet you at this point by following the same stitch pattern. Now I have just completed the round 3. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, and for the round 4, work single crochet in chain 2 space, insert the hook into the chain 2 by holding the ribbon behind and single crochet into the chain 2 space. Now again chain 2, single crochet into the chain 2 space, chain 2, single crochet into the chain 2 space, chain 2, single crochet into the chain 2 space, chain 2, single crochet into the chain 2 space, chain 2. By following the same stitch pattern, chain 2, single crochet into the chain 2 space, work the same stitch pattern until you reach the desired length. Okay, I will meet you then. Now that I have reached according to my desired length, if you want to make it a little higher or longer in height, you can make more rows accordingly. Now I have just ended up my round here. Now I will make the handles for the basket. I will change the hook size to 4.5 as this 3.5 hook is much little for the chains. Now I will make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 in the 5 chain space and single crochet into the I will change the hook size into the 6th chain space. Now work a regular stitch pattern, chain 2, skip 1 and chain 2, chain 2 and single crochet into the next chain space. Chain 2, single crochet into the next chain space, chain 2, single crochet into the next chain space, chain 2, single crochet into the next chain space, and reach here where we will make the next handle in front of the same parallel to each other. Okay, I will meet you then. Now again work 20 chains, 1, 2, right in front of the chains as I started. Just measure the basket, previous one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Now again I have just made 20 chains and single crochet into the just count from here 1 2 3 4 5, skip the 5 chain spaces and single crochet into the sixth one. Now again change the hook size and work a regular pattern. Chain 2, chain 2, single crochet into the next space, chain 2, chain 2, and reach here. Now I have reached here. Now just leave this ribbon and work single crochet in each chain. Into the handle, now work single crochet into the handle and you will come here. Just single crochet in 2 single crochet in chain 2 space and single crochet into the single crochet. Okay, I will show you when I reach there. Now I have just made single crochet in each chain. Now work 2 single crochet in chain 2 space and single crochet into the single crochet. 2 single crochet into the chain space, chain 2 space, single crochet into the single crochet. Okay, work 2 single crochet in chain 2 space and single crochet over single crochet and work single crochet in each chain and just end the round. Okay, I will show you the final result after making the final round. And there you have it. This crochet basket is not only easy to make but also incredibly versatile. It's stylish and functional addition to any room. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. I would love to see your finished basket, so be sure to share your creations in the comments below or tag me on Instagram at @crochet with Zara. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow crocheters. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you will never miss an update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.